Hi guys, my name is Samba from Hyperrider, and today we're going to show you how to fix the Hyperrider backrest. Alright, first of all, welcome to my workshop in Bangalore, where Bangalore customers come and get their bikes accessorized here, like this Dominar is. This is my showroom Dominar. Yeah, so here we go. So as you can see, this is my backrest, and Mr. Mola again, who's going to help us fix the backrest onto the Dominar. So the tools are very simple. We are giving you a different kind of bolts. It's a more length. It's the same bolt as your grab rail bolts, but this is a little longer. As you know, you can fix the backrest and the grab rail together. So we're giving you a different kind of bolt and a length bolt, and we're giving you non-rusting bolts, because your stock bolts will rust. This is nice and shiny and silver. And you will require, Mola, ye kaun sa alanki hai? 6 alanki, which you get in the toolkit already, so you don't need to search for it there in the market or ask somebody. You can get it from your toolkit. So here we go, we're going to start. So we take the key of the Dominar. You don't have to keep this in a paddock stand to fix it. You can just fix it like that itself. So first thing is that you open it. Hold them up. Alright. And always take your key and keep it over here again, because it might fall or you might lose it. So you start losing the grab rails. Always try to get a T kind of tubular. It's more easier to do it than your Dominars. So you got to loosen all those, remove it, keep it aside, or if you don't have any place, you can just keep it right here. It's pretty easy to, very comes in very handy to keep your grab rails. If you don't have anything around you, you can keep it there. So now he's gonna make the backrest sit. So you place it above that. First you make it sit, and then you hold it. If you have some friend, if you're not able to, you can ask your friend to hold it for you, and just screw it, put the bolt right there, and then tighten it. Just don't tighten it too much, because it won't sit then properly. Just put one bolt here and put one bolt here. Always remember, whenever you're doing anything of tightening the screw or something, always do side by side. Don't do one side completely and the other side completely. So just put one side and don't tighten it completely. Keep it a little loose. Later everything sits. And then tighten it. Yeah. And then just check once if it's aligned, straight. Usually it is. And then you start tightening it. Yeah. Like that. And I'll just tell you some few features which stands out in my backrest than the others is that I give a helmet locking facility here. So you see this loop, right? You can actually put a cable lock through this and lock your helmet here, like put it on the seat or hang it here. Usually what we do is we hang it over here or over here. So the disadvantage over here, if you do it, if you put it in a parking and lock it, some other bike will come and hit the helmet, and your helmet will get damaged. And if you put it here, what's going to happen is that if you're going to put your helmet on this, these parts might get scratched due to that. So always the best part is put it here. Alright. And now how do you close it? See, if you have these two on, what's going to happen is the thing will not close. Alright. So we have to remove these also. The reason why you have to remove is that we have covered that much gap. If you see, we have given that extra layer of the backrest, right? So what happens is that the gap is being closed. These rubbers are to just avoid that gap and vibrations to happen. So you can just remove this rubber like this. There, it's out. There, it's out. You can keep it safely, because if you don't want to use the backrest, if you want to remove it, you can fix this back again and fix the grab rail again and close the seat. Because if you don't keep that and if you remove the backrest and put the seat without this, what's going to happen is vibration will start happening. So Mola, just बैठा दो उसको. So the normal way how you make it fixed, how you fix your seat. So you just look at those two loops and then there. That's it, done. So then the backrest is fixed, pretty easy, and very simple to put. It looks nice. For the pillion, it's a boon because on the first gear when you just rev it, the pillion jumps, and it's a very comfortable place. It helps your pillion to get a good back support in your long rides and stuff, because how long they'll lean on you, and even you will get that weight. After sometimes you'll feel that weight. So it's always best to have a backrest, and my backrest, the advantage, and my backrest costs only 1,450, which is including GST. So only shipping is extra, which is what, 200-300 rupees, depending on your location again. So it's always best to get the Hyperrider backrest because it's innovative and it's strong and it doesn't break. And another thing is that this is compatible to my top rack or any top rack you buy. If you don't buy my top rack, if you want to buy something else, you can still buy and you can still fit this. It's compatible to all top racks. So yeah, any questions if you have, do let me know. Do follow my Instagram and get to know me. Alright, ciao, bye.